we're going to make a chutney sauce. So what we did was we took this pack of dry tamarind, which is a fruit. We soaked it overnight in 4 cups of water. And we have a half cup of sugar in here. So 4 cups of water, a pack of dried tamarind, half a cup of sugar. The sugar is to take the sourness away from the tamarind. Okay, so we're going to leave it on the stove and we're going to boil it a little bit. 2 hot peppers and 4 cloves of garlic. So we're gonna chop this up
and blend it and then put it in the pot.
blend it, and then we're gonna put it in.
We have 2 scotch bonnet pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, and a piece of bandhania.
Now we're going to add a teaspoon of salt.
And some people will like it more sweet. Some people don't like the sourness, so they might add more sugar.
So we're going to add half a teaspoon of the roasted jeera seeds or roasted cumin seeds. It's very like sour, but also very spicy. It's like a spicy sour sauce. A lot of flavor.
Plenty, I guess.